Welcome to the ultimate video editing made easy mastery. Yes, this is where you will unlock your full editing potential. Are you ready to dive into this captivating world of video editing? Or are you looking to take your editing skill to the next level but unsure how to? Then, you know what? Look no further. This comprehensive course is perfectly designed to equip you with everything you need to become a video editing ninja. My name is Raph. I am the founder and CEO of Rare Concept, where we believe in learning, earning, and empowering others. In this course, you will have access to all the treasure trove of tutorial videos and ebooks making up the following modules. 1. Mastering the basics of video editing. Before you start creating amazing videos for your brand, I will walk you through and you will understand the fundamental concepts and techniques in video editing, which is very important in building a strong foundation. I will show you the different editing softwares, the different navigating interfaces, and how to organize footage seamlessly. 2. Crafting impeccable cuts, transitions, and pacing. Crafting seamless and engaging edits is a key aspect of video editing. You will become a master in cutting footage, using transitions effectively, and maintaining a good pace throughout video creation. 3. Elevating visuals through color grading and combination. Color grading plays an important role in enhancing the overall look and feel of a video. In this module, I will teach you how to manipulate color, adjust contrast, and balance tone, which will skyrocket your visual quality. There are many other modules you can explore once you scroll down to check for yourself. When you enroll, you will gain exclusive lifetime access to the mentorship group. There, you will receive personalized attention for every question and assignment you submit. As an added bonus, you will also get access to the premium package, including 1000 plus tuning backgrounds, 500 plus exclusive fonts, 500 plus impressive transitions and effects, plus the premium apps I personally use for editing my videos. Trust me, by the end of this course, you will have the skills and confidence to edit your first professional videos. Whether you dream of freelancing, collaborating with production companies, or creating your own remarkable content, Video Editing Made Easy Mastery course is your ticket to success in this dynamic industry. Don't miss out. Click the enroll button now to kickstart your journey to video editing greatness. Congratulations. See you in class.